Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make carrot oil for hair growth, split end, and for hair loss, even for skin brightening. So guys, we'll be needing 1 carrot and some olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, coconut oil, almond oil, depending on the one you want. So we'll start now by grating the carrots like this. So this is my grated carrot. I just need a little of it. Now I'll be putting it into this jar. So the next step, I'll be adding in my olive oil. Make sure the oil is enough to cover the carrots in the jar. So this is it. So the next stage, I'm going to put a pot with water on fire and heat it up. When the water is hot, I'll place the carrots with the oil in the water and allow it to cook on medium heat for like 15 to 20 minutes. So this is it after 15 minutes. Our oil is ready. If you notice, the color has changed also. So I will off the stove now and allow the oil to cool down. So it has cooled down. The next stage is to strain it with a strainer. I mean strain the oil from the carrots. So this is the quantity I got, quite a lot. I see the color so nice. So now I'm just going to transfer it to my bottle. So guys, that is all for this video. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.